Today we are here to honor an individual who works here at PMO with one of our awards. We have, within the Division of Student Life, we have awards that are known as SLISU, some people call them SLISU, but it's really an award program that really speaks to the values that are important to us in the division. So Colton, this one is for you, buddy. Oh my gosh. And so just a couple things I want to say about Colton here. I think, first of all, when we do these awards, we will typically, people are nominated for one of those 5 categories, SLISU, and often people win for more than one of those, so a couple different things. It is exceedingly rare that somebody wins for every single one of those things. And ladies and gentlemen, this man has just done that. So congratulations, Colton. I have a lovely nomination form. I do want to just highlight a couple of the things. First of all, really creating a supportive environment for all of you. And this is so important for all of our students, but particularly during this last year and a half that has been so incredibly difficult for all of us to navigate, right? And so creating those opportunities and helping you continue to do the things that you love. He has been totally engaged in that. Colton has helped engage beyond the musicality of what you do, right? He has helped you look at how leadership skills are developed. He has helped you look at how inclusivity is developed. And I think that just speaks so well for this organization. But one of the things that was really telling to me is Heather, again, helping me figure out, okay, how am I going to come in here today and how are we going to do this? And she said, oh, Beth, she said, this has been so hard because Colton knows everything that's going on in PMO. And so how do you do this when you're trying to stump the guy that knows everything that's going on in PMO?
I was completely shocked to be selected and even nominated for the SLISU Award. As Beth said, I have a reputation for knowing a lot about our department, and I have a lot of friends on campus. So it was completely shocking, taking me by surprise. I'm deeply honored, super grateful. I watched the awards videos go out at each student life banquet and see all the amazing people that have received this award and all their years of service and accomplishments. So I feel like I am among an elite few, and that's always a good feeling. And of course, it always feels great to be recognized for your efforts. And I'm just super grateful that people took the time to nominate me. They've got a lot of things going on, and gratitude for all.
Colton has transformed how we do things here from an operations perspective, but not only that, he's created wonderful new opportunities for programming for our students and thinking outside of the box. I created his position for this very reason, to help me broaden the scope of what we can do at PMO, and he's done that and then some.
What motivates me to work hard for PMO and student life in Purdue are the students. Truly, they are the reason why we are all here, and I appreciate President Daniels for making that so clear in all of his speeches and remarks and initiatives, and I take that to heart as well. And the student experience in this program, PMO, I take that holistically very seriously. I'm an alum of this program. I've been a part of this crazy family for 8+4 years now, and I want to see it better. I want to make it better and leave it better than you found it. That's sort of a PMO motto, and I hope that if I can just get remembered for one thing, it's that I made this place better and a more safe and inclusive and financially sound environment than when I started.